Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. In this video, I will talk about 5 free softwares that will help you to learn 3D, to jump into 3D, to create, and then to print. I think that the best softwares for trying and discovering are already integrated into Windows 10. Available for free into the Microsoft Store if you can find them into your computer. I'm talking about 3D Viewer, Paint 3D, and 3D Builder, all 3 from Microsoft. With those 3, you can try 3D without knowing anything about it. I will explain it to you in dedicated videos. Now, after that, you will be able to try Blender. This is free and this is absolutely complete and crazy. You can do everything: creation, sculpting, animation, rendering. In my mind, Blender is a must-have. And I will share with you videos and tutorials of my creation into Blender. So please check the channel and the playlist. And then you have Ultimaker Cura. It's free, it's compatible with all 3D printers, and you will be able to do the configuration for your 3D printers, but also to visualize your object and to prepare your configuration for the 3D printing. Cura is the software that will build the file that you will be able to put into your 3D printer in order to have your 3D object in real life. Of course, I will explain it to you in some specific videos that you will be able to find into the channel or the playlist.